Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about article that is definite article. Please check my playlist. I had already discussed part 1. So we have few examples of general items. As we can see, where we can use the prior to the general items. Centuries. The 60th century BC. Prior to the centuries, we can use days of importance, the World Women's Day, the International Yoga Day. These are all few things where we can use definite article the. Eras of geography. The Paleolithic Age, the Stone Age, these are all eras we have to remember the can be used. Ages in history, the Mauryan Age, the Ashokan Empire, wars, the First World War, Second War, whatever has been given, we can use the. Pacts and alliances, the Pune Pact, the Sino Indian Peace Pact, there are various alliances also where we can use the. So please remember they are very useful. All these general items are to be remembered. The Quit India movements, whatever the movements are there. Union, the United Nations, the United Kingdom, the United Soviet States, Russia. Here we have some special areas, that is the Punjab region, the Northwest region, where the regions have been given. But we can't use the Punjab. We can use the Punjab region. Punjab is the state where we can't use the prior to the states, we don't use any kind of articles. The Punjab region is the correct answer. The Northwest region is the correct answer. The acronyms showing territories, that is USSR, the UK, as I had just discussed. Before the names of the holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, so prior to the names of the holy books. As we see the great books, the glimpses of the world history, one of the greatest books among all. So we can see in front of the great books, we can use the before to that. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations, which will be helpful for you, your juniors, your family, friends. Prior monumental regions or places, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, these are all the monuments. Prior to that, we can use the in front of that. Dams, the Nagarjun Sagar Dam, places of importance, the Red Square, the place of Wellington, these are all which of good importance where the can be used. Official residence, the White House, the President of America's home, that is the White House, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is in India. So we have the official residence. Prior to the official residence, the can be used. Museums and library, the New York State Museum, the British Library. Prior to these, we can use the in front of those words. Universities, the Delhi University, it is not only university, the Delhi universities, which is of unique nature. It's only one university all over the world. Institutions, the Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institutions, where we can use the. Organizations, the UNO, the UNICEF, in front of the hotels, the Taj Hotel. Political parties, the BJP, the Congress. Please remember these are all few situations. Whatever you get in examinations, you please put the before to that. Go once or twice or thrice to remember all those where we can use the in front of those words. Banks, the Reserve Bank of India, the Bank of Baroda, these are all few places where we can use the. Newspapers, the Hindu, the Times of India, where we can use this. Monetary units, the rupee, the Australian dollar, the American dollar, whatever prior to the monetary units. Weapons, the Agni missile, so where we can use the prior to the Agni, whatever we have all the missiles and weapons. Army or police, the army, the police has to be used. Prior to the playgrounds, we knew that cricket stadiums, we have the Lords, the Eden Gardens, the Chinnaswamy Stadium, these are all playgrounds. Prior to the playground, we can use the prior to that. Trophies, India has won both the Sharjah and the David Trophy. These are all few things which are to be remembered where article the can be used. Next we have titles and awards. We have here titles and awards, the Padma Bhushan, the Bharat Natna Award. So these are all where we can use title and awards. Sporting events, the Olympic, the Asian Games, the great families. So wherever the sporting events we can use this. Whenever there is a great families like the Gandhis, the Nehru's family, so there we can use the prior to them. Scientific inventions representing a class. The radio, the TV are the scientific inventions which representing a class. I request you guys to check my playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers as well as near about more than 900 plus videos for you. They are very useful for all examinations. Theories and laws. The number of theory, the Boyle's law, everything has been given. Please have a look. Whatever the theories and laws prior to that, we can directly use article the. Deceased species. We have the dinosaurs, which are a deceased species. Borders. The northwest frontier, the Indo-China border, where the borders have been given. Prior to that, the article can be used. Before abstract nouns and uncountable adjectives indicating particularly, here we have the greatness in him that he has no pride. So whatever has been given, the greatness is one thing which is an adjective, and here the before abstract nouns and uncountable adjectives indicating particularity, that is the greatness in him that he has no pride. So here the greatness is one thing which is qualifying adjective, so prior to that the can be used. Prior musical instruments, the tabla, the guitar, whatever the musical instruments are there, prior to that we can use the before to the musical instrument. Please remember they are very important in some cases. Date of month's name, that is the 14th of November. Here prior to the date and November, so both has been given. The 14th of November is the right answer. Names of statutes or acts, the Indian Penal Code Act, the legislatures, the Statue of Liberty, the Statue of Unity, these are all we have to remember. These are all where we can use the before that. And before the religions also, the Hindu, the Muslim, the Sikhs has to be only these used prior to the religions. Inventions, the telescope and the telephone, these are all the television prior to the invention had to be the used. Clubs, the Lion Club, whatever the clubs we have to use the before to the clubs. Dynasties, the Peshwas dynasty, the Chola dynasty, the Chera dynasty, where we can use the prior to the dynasties. We have the dates, the 10th of May, as I had just told. When were you born? I was born on the 10th of May was the right answer. The same way as usual, we can directly go through that. Body parts, he was wounded in his eye. So here please remember, this is one thing which had to be remembered. He was wounded in the eye. Here the whatever the his has been used as possessive adjective is replaced with the definite article the. One of the important thing, it can be used he was wounded in the eye is also right answer. He was wounded in his eye is also right answer. Here his is a possessive adjective which has been replaced by the definite article the, which is very important. Everyone has to be remembered. So this is one of the important, you may be given in examinations to confuse whether it is correct or wrong. Prior to the trophies, whether cups, the World Cup, the FIFA Cup, where we can directly use the prior to the cups. Era, I told the Middle Ages, the French Revolution, and whatever the revolutions we have, the Middle Ages, whatever the era we have, the Paleolithic age, whatever you have to use the prior to the era as well as revolution. Name of things that are unique, the world, the universe, which are in the unique nature, where we can use the before to that. Before directions, the east, the west, the north, they are the geographical directions where we can use the. Names of the post, the chairman, the director, as you can see Sivaraman is the chairman of ISRO, so the chairman, the director. Names of titles, the Iron Man, the father of the nation, these are the titles where we can use the before to that. And armed forces, the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force are the armed forces where we can use the in that. Canals, the Suez Canal, these are the which are important where you can use the. Prior to the newspapers, the Hindu, the Times of India is where we can use. Prior language to signify nationality, the French guy is one thing has to be remembered indicating nationality. So these are a few things I had prepared from my various sources. I hope I had given my best for you guys. If you want a PDF of 2100 GK and GS questions, you can call me or message me on mobile number 766730 If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please comment me on this section. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.